Hello and welcome to the garden. Let's literally dig in. So I'm going to show you how to dig up garlic. It is best to dig up garlic when they're still a little green, so you can breed the stems. And I have more than 60 different garlic cultivars, so I'm not going to dig all of them for you because it would be a 2-day video, but I'm going to start digging and show you how I do it. So, as my lilies, I double name tag my plants. So I have a name tag at the end. There it is. So this is Precocem. And when you leave the bulbs for so long, the outer layer is going to disintegrate, so you cannot braid them. I planted these last autumn and they have a good amount of yield, but as you can see, the outer tunic's skin is disintegrating. So I should have dug them about 2 weeks ago, but because all the cultivars ripe at a different stage, I cannot dig all of them at the best time. So this is a fairly good harvest, but I have to add that these plants were watered and fed, and now the second name tag goes in, and I will store them at a dry, airy place for at least a week or two to cure the bulbs, and then I can clean them and count them. So this will be the light, airy place for the bulbs. Okay, next cultivar. You can see that there are still some other plants between the rows, and it's because there are still some more bulbs of this cultivar, so I have to open the bag and put them in. So I'll just put them here. Purple Haze, a Polish cultivar. Maybe mulching garlic wasn't my best idea. Oh. So this cultivar is not that great. You can see how small the bulbs are. But you can pull them out because the stem is still green somewhat. So and a daffodil. And a huge slug, so you can see the slugs can dig. Yeah. And there's the name tag. Garpack. We had a couple of rainy days, so the soil is not like concrete right now. It's more like swampish conditions, but that's the soil I have to work with. Also, onions and garlics like a bit of a little more humusy and clay soils, so they do not really grow well on sand. There are cultivars which prefer sand and warmth, but the vast majority of alliums are from the steppe and the prairie, so similar soil conditions like I have, though not this compact and alkaline. We got some soda in the soil, so okay. Well, there are a lot of more cultivars to go, so I won't keep you here waiting. Thank you for being here and happy gardening. Bye bye.